Hey guys, I feel like this camera angle is weird. I feel like all of my videos have been a bit over the place this month because I need to like move my camera. Like I need to, when I'm taking my Halloween photos, I move my camera and my tripod and stuff, and I feel like I can never get it back in the right space. But whatever, we're just gonna persist because it's messing with my head. Today we're doing a full face of Sheglam and I'm really excited. I recently had bought heaps of stuff from Sheglam. I did a haul if you want to go and check it out. So yeah, we're going to be doing a full face of Sheglam. I have done my eyebrows off camera, obviously. And I used the Sheglam and Frida, I don't know how to say her last name, I'm really sorry. But they did a collab, or like a, not a collab, like a collection. And this is the Brow Icon Liquid Brow Pen in chocolate. I actually really enjoy this. This is one of those like kind of, they look a bit like, they give like the microbladed effect. I feel like I need to learn how to use them a little bit because I feel like it looks a little bit silly in the front of the brows where I haven't quite known how to use it properly. But I actually think they look really nice. I've done a terrible job of carving them out actually. I feel like I need to learn how to use it a bit better. But yeah, I do feel like it's a really nice product. So all that I have in my brows at the moment is this brow pen, and then I also have, I've carved them out obviously, and then I've just put Benefit clear brow gel in because I don't have a clear brow gel from Sheglam. But yeah, I feel like they look really nice. Like I feel like it's actually a really nice product. It was easy to use in one sense, but I feel like it also is going to take a bit of getting used to as well because I'm a pomade girl. My hands are a little bit shaky, but it's really pigmented and really nice. So let's get into some other products. I've got a couple of primers, so I'm going to figure out which one to use today. I think I have two primers. I've got the Good Grip Hydrating Primer, and I also have the Glacier Glow. I think I'm honestly going to go for the Glacier Glow one today because it's just calling my name, so yeah, I think I'm going to do that. So this is how it looks here. So it says, when your skin needs an extra dose of hydration before your glam, reach for the Sheglam Glacier Glow Smoothing Primer. Featuring a smooth water-based texture that's cool to the touch, this primer fills pores and develops a soft focus isolation layer that fights oxidization over time and reduces oiliness during the day. So comes with this cute little spatula. So this is how it looks. And when you open it up, it's in here. Oh wow, this is not what I was expecting. Look at it, that's so cool. So it looks quite thick actually. I don't really need the spoon, but I want to use it. Wow, this is really like, how fun. Oh my god, it's very cold. Cute. Let's rub it in. It is really cooling. Like, it does feel quite like pore filling. I feel like this is what, it feels similar to the Benefit Professional. A little bit less thick than that, but it also feels like, yeah, if you put your Benefit Professional in the freezer or in the fridge or something and then put it like, I don't know, for like a couple of hours and then put it on your face. I like that though. When you like work it in, it kind of becomes a bit more like liquidy, I guess. Yeah, that feels really nice. Today I'm going to use the Sheglam Skinfinite Hydrating Foundation. I've used this like quite a few times before, so this isn't a new product. I didn't buy any new foundations this time, but I did buy a concealer, so I'm excited to try that out. I wet my beauty sponge. Normally I don't do that, but today I did. I feel like I dried it, but I feel like I didn't do a good job. Let's put our foundation on. This is a new beauty sponge, like a freshie, so all of mine have had an absolute workout this month because I've been doing my Halloween look, so they're all covered in like face paint or like different coloured eyeshadow, fake blood, you know, everything. So I needed a new beauty sponge. I really like this foundation from Sheglam. I think it's quite nice. Now, normally I do my eyes first, but today I'm actually not going to be doing eye makeup apart from liquid liner. So I'm just going to use foundation. Okay, cute. So that's how our base is looking. I feel like I need a little bit more on the nose. I've always got issues with my nose. So yeah, I do think this is a nice foundation, especially for the price point. I did buy a concealer though, so we are going to try that out today. So this is the Bright Eyes Cooling Concealer. I got mine in the shade Buttercream. It says, our newest metal tip concealer features a high coverage formula plus an innovative metal tip that cools and soothes your under eyes. Enriched with phytosterol elite and 100% olive sauce squalene to reduce your skin's transepidermal water loss. This concealer provides extreme moisture for a natural finish and ultra refreshed look. I am worried this feels kind of thick. So I know it sounds like it's like a eye concealer, but I'm going to use it all over. Okay, it does feel kind of thick, but let's blend it. Okay, so I feel like a little bit goes a long way. As you can see, it's a very thick formula, I feel like. So when you start to like blend it out, it kind of goes quite far, but it definitely is brightening, so that's good. Yeah, I kind of like that. I feel like it looks quite nice, actually. Cute. It is, yeah, like definitely a brightening concealer. Now we have quite a few setting powders to try out, so I don't know what one to take. I think the one I'm actually going to take today is called the Insta Ready Face and Under Eye Setting Powder Duo. Yeah, let's take that. So this one's in the shade Bubblegum. So I'm just going to set the concealer to start with. So this is how it looks. It's like a little, we have a powder here. And we've also got a loose powder under here. So let's set our under eyes. Well, let's set the concealer. It's pink. I don't think I've ever used a pink setting powder. Let's give it a blend again. So yeah, I'm just setting the concealer first because we are going to be using cream products today. I'm scared. My eyebrows are quickly growing back. To be fair, I haven't had them done since before we went on our trip. So they are in need of doing. I like it. There's some like product that's come off my face. Looks like the concealer's kind of come off a little bit over here. I don't know how that managed to happen. Yeah, I feel like that setting powder does look quite nice, actually. I feel like my under eyes look quite nice as well. There's a little bit of like creasing, but my under eyes are really bad for creasing, to be honest. And I feel like I have like less creasing than usual, so that's a good sign. I feel like so far so good. I'm quite liking the look of everything, so that's good. Okay, now we're going to take this. This is the Sunbeam Shimmer Liquid Bronzer. Mine's in the shade Toffee. It says, add some sparkle to your bronzing routine. Sculpt and snatch your look with our shimmering, highly pigmented, long-wearing Sunbeam Liquid Bronzer. I'm a little bit scared, but anyway, let's do it. I am scared. We'll start up here. Just going to blend it out with like a sponge. Uh-oh, is it not? Oh no, it's okay. I thought it was going to blend for a second there. I was like, oh no. It does look to be quite a nice colour, to be honest. I get so scared of liquid products, honestly. I just feel like there's so much opportunity for them to go wrong. But they do look so nice when they're like blended and stuff. So I'm not sure if I'm seeing a whole lot of shimmer, to be honest. Okay. I do quite like that. I feel like there's a few bits where it's kind of stuck more than like clung on to certain bits of my face more than others. I will say I don't think this was the best beauty sponge. It's just another one that I needed that was clean. But I feel like the colour's quite nice, so I do quite like it. I am going to grab a brush and blend it a little bit more. I'm curious to know, do you guys use a sponge with your liquid products or do you use a blender? Okay. I feel like it is nice. It does give a really nice healthy glow. Like I said, I'm not seeing a whole lot of shimmer, but I don't really like, that's not why I bought it anyway. Like I'm not super worried about that, I guess. I've got like a couple of blush products. I feel like that is, I don't know what one. I feel like I need something a little bit subtle today though, because I'm not doing like an eye look. I've got that. Which might be a contender. I know that I've got one more from them as well. I've also got this. This is a highlighter and blush duo. I feel like that blush is much more today's vibe. I don't think I'm going to take this highlighter though, because I've got some other highlighters I want to use. So we'll take the blush and highlighter duo. But first I need to set the rest of my face, hey? So let's take this pink face powder because I'm interested. What does it say? You and your glam have a good thing going. Don't let it fade. Buy our 2-in-1 setting powder to your beauty routine. On the top level, you'll find a silky moisturising pressed powder that's uniquely made to lock in your under eye makeup and fill in any wrinkle. Oh, and on the bottom, on the bottom level, a sheer oil absorbing loose powder to keep your face fresh and shine free. So I've used it the wrong way around. So the pressed powder is actually meant to be for your under eyes. Lol. Okay, let's give that a go then. I accidentally used it wrong. Is it too late now? Doesn't matter. Let's try it. I just thought that the loose powder would have been for your whole face. Wow. Okay. I don't know. Can you guys see that difference? It's actually crazy. I feel like obviously it's a little bit late now because my concealer has set and I've obviously already set it with something else. But wow, that is really, really brightening actually. Wow, cool. I'm excited to try that out like properly next time. But yeah, I'm so silly, I didn't realise. Oops. Okay, let's set our face in with this loose powder. Can't believe that. Okay, so next, that's why you should always read the box first before making assumptions. Alright, let's add this blush. So yeah, this is the Glam 101 Hybrid Highlighter and Blush Duo in Saint Tropez. It says, new to the glam game, you'll need our 2-in-1 highlighter and blush for that gorge glow wherever you go. From soft everyday looks to after hours vibes, this duo delivers a radiant complexion that'll make you look like a makeup pro. Shh, we won't tell. Cute. I actually quite like this. Like, I feel like this looks like a really nice like little colour combo. I just want to try out a different highlight today, but let's give the blush a go. I feel like it's just a really pretty kind of like neutral everyday shade. I quite like it. I feel like I have lost my bronzer a little bit. I was scared to kind of make it too dark, but obviously putting the powder and everything like that on has kind of made it disappear a little bit. But actually I quite like that blush shade. I feel like everything's kind of complementing each other really nicely. Let's try a highlight. So I've already tried one of these lunar glow ones. Those are the ones that look like little UFOs. So I think I'm going to try one of these. These are called the Moonside Highlights and I have 2 different shades. First one I have is Cosmic Stream. This is like a goldy shade. That's really pretty. And then the other one I have is called Moon Rose. That's really pretty as well. It's like a kind of soft. I think I'm going to take Cosmic Rose today. I mean, Cosmic Stream. Oh, I feel like Cosmic Rose is going to go better though because it's a bit softer. Okay, I'm going to go Moon Rose because it's a little bit softer. And obviously I feel like, you know, we're not doing eye makeup and stuff today. Okay, let's give it a go. So it says, stay bright day or night. This delicate pressed highlight that instantly adds a pearlescent shimmer and a sheer luster. With a 3-dimension shine, the Moonside highlighter is soft, easy to apply, and long lasting. That is really pretty. I feel like it doesn't show up too much in the swatch, but applied to the face, it's really nice. Cute. I like it. It's still not the most blinding highlight that I've ever tried, but it looks really nice on the cheeks. Yeah, that's really pretty. Cute. Okay, that's nice. Alright, time to set the face. This is the Press Refresh Setting Spray. It says, we like our glam like we like our love, everlasting. But sometimes sweat and outside elements can cause our makeup to fade. The solution? Keep your look fresh from AM to PM with our coconut scented setting spray. It's like a pick-me-up in a bottle that smells like a breezy beach vacation. Hint, you want to keep this baby on you at all times. So let's give it a go. It does feel very nice and refreshing. Let's do some liquid liner. So this is the So Rich Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner and I got mine in the shade. It doesn't say. I thought I had a shade on it. Maybe not. Anyway, this is how it looks here. I feel like it's really cute. So we're going to do a little bit of liner. See how it works. So it's very pigmented, which is good, but I remember this actually about the Care Bears one. I tried out some liquid liners from that collection and they just drag on your eyelid, which is annoying. Like they're not super, they almost feel a little bit dry, so they don't kind of just seamlessly glide across your eyelid. And yeah, I feel like the Care Bears ones were the same. which can just make it hard to get things like precise. Okay, they're kind of like not sisters. Yeah, you can like, you definitely can't deny that it's very pigmented. I just wish that they were a little bit more smooth. I'd really like to try, because I had quite a few options for eyeliners, so I'd really like to try some more. I've tried the Care Bears ones, but they were like coloured, and then this is the first like a black liquid liner that I've tried. Very, very nice and pigmented. It's just a little bit hard to use. What I do want to do is line the liner with some glitter, with one of these little glittery things. So I'm just gonna figure out what shade I want. I've got so many of them, they're so cute. These look really, really nice. These are the Insta Party glitter liners. I've got 4 different shades. I'm excited to see how these look. Sorry guys, my camera stopped recording. But I've got 4 of these glitter liners, and I think I'm gonna take this one called Fireworks. It looks really pretty. I'm hoping this looks okay. Give it a go, see how it is. I wasn't gonna put it over the top of it, but that seems like what I'm doing, so just gonna do it like halfway. That's actually so cute. I actually really like that. I feel like it looks really cute with like the black base. I actually really like that. Isn't that cute? I love it. Alright, I didn't get a mascara from them. I actually don't know if they make mascara. I'm sure they do, but I didn't get one. So I'm gonna go do lashes, and I'll do my hair, and then we'll be back and we can try out some lip products. So I ended up just doing my lips off camera. I just took the Glam 101 Lipstick and Liner Duo. This one's in the shade Warm Nutmeg, and I think it's really nice. Yeah, this is the finished look. I feel like I am really happy with everything that I tried today. So I feel like, I don't know how to explain this. I feel like recently I've kind of come to realize a couple of things with my makeup and stuff like that, and it's that like I feel like this makeup looks really, really nice, and I'm really happy with it. But I feel like you can, like, when you really deeply analyze it, you can see that it's probably made a little bit more affordable, and that's obviously because it is more affordable. Do you know what I mean? Like, I think that high-end makeup is made, like, I think that, like, it's hard to explain. Like, I've just noticed a couple of things. Like, it's very, very minor tweaks, but I feel like you can, you know, lately I've been realizing that high-end makeup, while the prices are through the roof, like, I feel like they're definitely inflated a lot. I feel like you can tell that they look a little bit more high-end, basically, whereas I feel like more affordable makeup, you can tell that it does look a little bit more affordable. But that doesn't mean it looks bad or anything like that. And I think it just comes down to small, tiny things like fine lines, for example, or like longevity, all that kind of stuff. So do I think that this makeup looks really nice? Yes, I think it's really, really nice. Do I think it has the same effect as my Hourglass products? No. But do I think that this would still be okay on like the daily, or like I'd still be comfortable going out and wearing this makeup? Yes, 100%. But like, I feel like I'm rambling, but like I'm just trying to be as like honest as possible, I guess. But yeah, I do really like it. I think it looks really nice. I feel like, you know, when I come up close, I can see things like I can see my congestion a little bit more. I can see kind of where it's cracking a little bit. I can see my fine lines, all that kind of stuff. But like, I don't, like, no one is gonna care. You know what I mean? Like, no one is coming up this close to me in person and analysing all of these things, so I don't think it's that big of a deal, but I'm just trying to be authentic, I guess, because I feel like when I do use my Hourglass products or my more expensive products, those things are obviously refined a little bit more, because I don't know how makeup's made, but I'm guessing they're using more expensive products or whatever it is. I don't know, but basically I'm just trying to be, you know, thorough. But I do really like this makeup. I think it looks really nice. I'm really happy with all the products I tried. We have still so much more to go through. I think I'm going to do a video trying out specifically Sheglam lip products, because I actually have so many of them. But yeah, that's everything for today. Let me know if you've tried out any of these products. But yeah, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!